What's up, crypto gang? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are brand new here, this is where we hack our cryptocurrency education. And also, if you're brand new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode. And today's winner is Tim, literally the username TIM. Thanks so much for commenting on the previous video with your wallet address, Tim. I just sent you some crypto. On this episode, I go over Divi. If you guys are brand new to the channel, I've covered Divi a handful of times. I also help them with their podcast. I love the project. I'm super bullish on it, mainly because of its being supported by masternodes and its beautiful design, allowing users to simply get involved in cryptocurrency. And now with the new Divi 2.0, they've actually gamified how people sign up for the new mobile application that's coming soon. If you guys haven't seen previous videos to Divi that I've covered in the past and interviewed Nick, the CIO at Divi, the link will be in the description below so you guys can check that out and learn some of the mechanics of how things are working. But on the update portion here, what we're going to talk about today is Divi 2.0. It is a mobile wallet where you can seamlessly sign up and you earn Divi as you actually input your user information. So you upload a picture, you upload your name, and you can start earning Divi right then and there in this gamified way. It's a slick design, and there is actually a tutorial in this video that just dropped yesterday. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, one of the things that I like to do here is show tutorials and a lot of things from developers directly, because I've done tutorials in the past and I've gotten a lot of critiques, I guess you could say, on my tutorials. And what I really like to do is work directly with developers and put the footage right in the video from them. So it's just a clean line of communication. And first and foremost, this is not a sponsored video by Divi whatsoever. This is just me covering the project because I collaborate with them on various things, including the podcast, link in description, but also the fact that I've been a big Divi fan since day one, and I've been bullish on Masternode since day one, and love the idea that they're creating a simple and easy way for users to sign up in a gamified fashion and literally just enter information and get crypto. One of the biggest updates that they had last year was they bought a bank in Costa Rica and they renamed it Divi. It's a fantastic brand, and they're using it for payment remittance and various other things. Like, they're working on things in the back end that I've heard rumors of all over social media and that are coming out soon. So definitely stay tuned for some updates on that end, because I'm super bullish on the fact that they've bought a bank. Some of the biggest critiques of cryptocurrency right now is the wallet addresses. And there are companies out there, like you have your Unstoppable Domains, you have your Namebase, you have a lot of these projects out there really trying to compete to shrink those really long, annoying addresses that you have to send and post in the comment section below for a chance to win. What Divi's done is they've completely redesigned it in a new and innovative way, and that is helping people get access to things like earning through masternodes, like earning passive income. Now that they have Divi, it's going to give people access to the form of banking in a way through this mobile application. So when it comes to wallets, that is the first point of contact with new users. And like I said before, these long addresses are going to be a thing of the past in the near future. And I think that when it comes to the Divi wallet, one of the really exciting things here is that they have the exchange part, so you can literally exchange fiat for cryptocurrency immediately. You can stake, you can have that masternode running so you can earn passive income, scale up your masternode to these different tiers that they have available. One of the big features that a lot of people have attempted and haven't been able to pull off, mainly because of the user experience, is just really rough. And what Divi's going after is this immediate transfer anywhere in the world. So for example, if you're watching this video right now in South Africa or Russia, you could literally have access to me immediately sending you a payment. If you put your Divi wallet address in the comment section, for example, I could immediately send you some Divi all across the world, and it would be completely peer-to-peer and on-chain, visible and transparent. And this is something that people have talked about that cryptocurrency offers, but few people have actually been able to design it in a way that is user friendly. So what I want to do now is I want to show you guys the tutorial from Nick directly and you guys can get a chance to see this incredible new design that they're rolling out and just how impactful this is going to be on the space, just given how slick and cool and seamless this is with the gamification for sign up. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. That is it for my update video here on Divi. I've done quite a few in the past. Like I said, the links to the videos will be in the description below. If you download the Divi wallet when it rolls out, you can literally earn immediately once you have some Divi on the wallet. You can buy some coffee from Divi Coffee, and you can send immediately to anyone all over the world, and you can earn some Divi just from putting in your basic information. You don't need to understand or know anything about cryptocurrency. You literally just need to know your personal information and put it in there, and you get to have this cryptocurrency immediately available to you. You could send it to your parents, to your friends, to your family members, whatever it may be. And it is a very powerful concept to gamify things in a very beautiful user experience. So that is it for my update with Divi. I hope you guys like it. All the links will be in the description below. If you guys are here from my Telegram group, welcome. The link to that will also be in the description below. And we're going to be doing a giveaway today for $50 in that group. It'll last for a couple of days. So definitely give that a subscribe and join. Couple hundred people now. Really happy to be passing, I think, the 500 milestone today. Super excited on that. Telegram's pretty awesome, but definitely leave a comment below what you guys think about Divi, and definitely join the Telegram group and download the Divi wallet. Those links will be in the description below as well, so you guys can get a chance to check it out on desktop. The mobile is rolling out soon, and I will keep you guys up to date on when that rolls out. I'll see you guys on the next episode of Hack Crypto.